Hello, beautiful souls, welcome to my channel. What love is? It is love that gives me purpose to change and grow and lead. It is love that guides me on this path and helps me choose each turn. It is love that gives me courage to stand against my fears, to open up my heart to you, to let you see my tears. It is love that gives me trust and hope when little things go wrong, when distance stands between us. It is love that keeps me strong. It is love that offers harmony and a friendship that is true. How wonderful that I can share. A love like this with you. I look upon her. I look upon her face lying on my pillow, lit by the light of my bedroom window, wrapped within my gently arms. Knowing she will come to me no harm, I look upon her hair, soft and fair, unable to find the word to compare. Answer she has given me in time of pain. That love and hope will visit again. I look upon her lips, moist and red, giving me life when all was dead. She restored my heart when it was lost, melting what was covering in force. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe.